Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to effectively use a website building platform to create your own stunning website. First, let's talk about what website building platforms are and why they're essential for anyone looking to establish an online presence. Choosing the right platform is crucial. Consider factors like ease of use, cost, and specific features that suit your needs. Let's create your account. Follow this step-by-step walkthrough to set up your profile on the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Let's explore how to navigate this user-friendly interface. Choosing the right template is key to your site's look. Here's how to pick a design that aligns with your vision. Now, let's personalize your site. Here are some tips for editing and customizing your layout effectively. Enhance your site's functionality by adding essential features. Let's look at useful plugins and widgets. To drive traffic, optimizing for SEO is critical. Here are some best practices to improve your site's visibility. Before going live, always preview and test your website to ensure everything works properly across all devices. Finally, it's time to publish your website. Follow these final steps to make your site live and share your creation with the world.